Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. We are making Arabic chicken mandi today. I enjoyed it in Dubai, so today I will share recipe with you inshallah. First we will marinate chicken and bake it. Then we will make mandi rice and a chutney to complete our meal. For marination I have 4 pieces of chicken weighing 3 pounds. Make big cuts on it like this. Juice of 1 lemon, black pepper powder half teaspoon, salt 1.5 teaspoon, extra virgin olive oil 2 tablespoon, garlic grated 2 tablespoon, cayenne pepper I am using 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon. Mix everything and rub them on chicken. Fill the cuts with marination. Cover it and keep it in fridge for 6 hours or overnight to marinate. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chicken is marinated for 6 hours. Now we will bake it, and before baking mark chicken with yellow color. It will give a beautiful effect on chicken. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil on chicken. Then cover it with aluminum foil and bake it for an hour at 480 Fahrenheit, then for 20 minutes without aluminum, and don't preheat oven. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chicken is baking in the oven. Now we will make mandi rice. To make rice we need basmati rice 3 cups. Soak them for an hour. Allspice is a blend of some Arabic spices. I will show you the bottle. I am using half teaspoon. And garlic grated I am using 1 tablespoon. Oil 1/3 cup, salt 1.5 teaspoon, cayenne pepper 1/8 teaspoon, coriander powder 2 tablespoon, green cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, yellow food color 1/4 teaspoon. I used half of it to rub on chicken and some of it will be sprinkled on rice. Whole spices: cinnamon stick 1, green cardamom 4, clove 3 and black pepper 4. Fresh chicken stock 3.5 cups. So let's make mandi rice with bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a pan, add whole spices and oil. Let them simmer on medium-low flame for 30 seconds. Then add chicken stock in it. Now add coriander powder, all spices, garlic, cayenne pepper, cardamom powder and salt. Mix them and let them boil on high flame. After 1 minute, when it starts boiling, keep the flame medium-low and let it cook for 20 minutes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After 20 minutes, add rice in it. Mix them and let them cook on high flame with open lid. After 5 minutes, rice absorbed liquid in it. Now keep the flame very low and sprinkle yellow color on rice. Cover them with kitchen towel wrap lid and cook for 14 minutes. After 14 minutes, mandi rice are cooked beautifully, mashallah. Let's check our chicken roast now. Alhamdulillah, chicken is also baked beautifully, mashallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We will make a chutney to enjoy with Arabic mandi. To make it, we need cilantro leaves half bunch, onion 1 medium size, tomato 2 without seeds, cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon, cayenne pepper 1/8 teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon, Chop everything in a chopper for 2 minutes and enjoy a yummy chicken mandi with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, complete meal of Arabic chicken mandi is ready. Enjoy and save recipe for Ramadan. You will definitely love it. Also give me a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.